Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Okay, so I am pretty sure I know what's in this box. Almost positive. I know what's in this box. It is. Okay, so this is something that I ordered from the Homfun store on AliExpress. I ordered this on September 6th. I had ordered a couple things on AliExpress on the same day, different stores, but same day. This was delivered to me today, so you guys won't see it the same day that I'm obviously filming, but anyhow, I got a couple canvases in today. This is one of them. This is, okay, so this is a fall canvas. This came in a lot better shape than my other canvas that I ordered on the same day from a different store. The other one was from the Ye Bright factory store, and that canvas is a disaster. I'm gonna have to contact them. This one, on the other hand, came in a lot better shape. It's on a foam roller. It is double-sided adhesive. It is not my favorite, but if it comes in good condition, it's very doable. This one was $13.44. And trying to look at what it is. We're just gonna have to open it and find out. I don't know this size. I can't remember the size. And I don't want to cut my canvas, so give me a second so I don't slice through my canvas, because I'm clumsy and I'll do something like that. And my dog is snoring really loudly right now. I don't know if you can hear her. I feel like every time I film, she's snoring loudly. She's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous, but I love her. So you get a pretty generic toolkit. It is a Play-Doh wax. It's a couple baggies, the little generic metal tweezers, pink pin, and a boat. So, very generic. I'm going to take out the inventory sheet so I can show you a picture. And pick your own pumpkins, and it's like another type, chalkboard type picture. And I really like it. I like the colors a lot. I thought it was really cute. And it's a 50 by 40. It's got 40 colors. It's got more colors than the other one did. And this one is in good condition though, so I think I remember though, because I have received Homfun ones, and if I am remembering correctly, which I didn't remember until a little while after I had ordered this, like a week or two after I had ordered, I think they do training wheels, and I'm not a fan of the training wheels. But, you know, for $13, it is what it is, right? This canvas looks great though. If you look at the back, it's in great condition. There's no wrinkling, it's not puckered anywhere. It just doesn't have any problems. So that makes me very excited, because the other, yep, they do have training circles. See, I need to remember these things. So, it's a very clear drill field though. I just don't like the training circles because on the lighter colors, you can see them if you don't place the drill 100% correctly. So if you have it off center at all, you can see it. It's very noticeable on the light patterned ones. So, and I'm gonna grab my tape measure, but if I remember correctly, they do, they are true to size on their canvases. It's not theirs are not the total canvas, it's the actual drill field. If I can find my tape measure, that is. My craft area is a little bit, my craft room in general is a little bit of a mess at the moment. but it was where it belongs. I put it back where it belonged the last time I used it. So go me. So 50 by 40, almost exactly. It's like a notch below 40, so true to size. And we're gonna look at some of the colors. So we have these beautiful oranges. 310, it just doesn't seem right. There has to be more somewhere in there. So lots of really pretty like oranges and peach colors together. Some like almost orange red colors. Really pretty light greens. Some gray. I think this is going to be really pretty when it's done. And I want to do it for like November type area because it's more fall than Halloween. I'm loving all the different oranges in this. That's a pretty color too. I love 413 and 414 and all these colors, these grays. I just love them. I have them in a lot of paintings, so I know I'm drawn to paintings that have a lot of those. And the 317, stuff like that. All those really pretty gray colors. That's where the art, that's the art that draws my attention. And that's like a olive green, like a creamy olive green though. That's another olive green color. So it has a lot of beautiful colors in it. I think this overall will be a really nice canvas to work on. Like I said, I did get one the same day that I had actually ordered the same day from Ye Bright factory store. That one is a disaster. That canvas is a wreck. So I need to contact AliExpress and let them know, send them some pictures. Hopefully they'll just send me out a new canvas to replace that one. And hopefully the new canvas will come in better shape. So we'll see. I will keep you guys informed on that one, but this one is in great condition. So I'll go ahead and link this in the description box. I'll also make sure I have all the colors, and I will let you know if I do or if I don't have them. I'll let you know in the description box. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me or to ask me in the comment section below. Sorry, I have a tickle in my throat. And I will answer them as soon as possible. As always, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified the next time I post a new video. Bye, guys.